welcome to the session. Today we will discuss introduction to SQL. Okay, what is SQL? SQL is a standard language for accessing and manipulating databases. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. SQL lets you access and manipulate the databases. It became a standard in ANSI, American National Standards Institute in 1986. Okay, what can SQL do? It can execute queries, against the database, then it can retrieve data from a database, it can insert records in a database, update records, delete records, can create new databases, create new tables in a database, can create stored procedures, views, and so on. And many more, like triggers, everything. So it can set permissions on tables, procedures, and views. Can set permissions. Tables. Okay. SQL is standard, but although SQL is an ANSI standard, there are different versions. There are different versions of SQL language. However, like different versions of SQL language, however, okay, it has a different versions of SQL language, like MySQL, SQL Server, MySQL, Oracle, etc. PostgreSQL, but all will be compliant with the ANSI standard where all support at least major commands, like select, update, delete, insert, and where clause in a similar manner. Okay, using SQL in your website, where you can use SQL to build a website that shows data from a database. You need an RDBMS database program. Then to use a server-side scripting language, you can use PHP or ASP.NET for server side. And to use SQL to get a data you want, you can use in your website, and you can use HTML or CSS to style the page. Let's see what is RDBMS. RDBMS stands for Relational Database Management System. Okay, RDBMS is the basis of SQL. And for all modern database. Database systems such as MS SQL Server, IIDB2, this is IBM DB2, Oracle MySQL, Microsoft Access. Okay, the data in the database, data in RDBMS is stored in database objects called tables. A table is a collection of related data entities and it consists of columns and rows. Okay, every table is broke up into smaller entities. Each table broke up into smaller entities. Okay, called fields. The fields in a table consist of columns. Okay, so what is a field? Field is a column in a table that is designed to maintain specific information about every record in a table. So a record, also called a row, is also called a row, is a individual entry that exists in a table. Column is a vertical entity. In a table that contains all information associated with the specific field in a table. Okay, this is all about introduction to SQL. We will see SQL syntax in the next video. Thank you. Please subscribe and like my video.